If you're experiencing account sync issues on Roblox, follow these simple steps to resolve them. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem effectively. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause sync issues. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that resolves the problem. Step 2. Log out and log back in. Sometimes, simply logging out of your Roblox account and logging back in can refresh your session and fix sync issues. Go to the settings menu, log out, and then log back in with your credentials. Step 3. Clear cache and cookies. Clearing your browser's cache and cookies can help eliminate any stored data that may be causing conflicts. Go to your browser settings, find the option to clear browsing data, and select cache and cookies. Step 4. Update Roblox app. Make sure you are using the latest version of the Roblox app. Check your app store for any available updates and install them. An outdated app may lead to sync issues. Step 5. Contact Roblox support. If the problem persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Roblox support for assistance. Provide them with details about the issue, and they can help you troubleshoot further. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any account sync issues on Roblox. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from the support team.